First navigate to the file and select open. Select this image, click open. Now take the pen tool and select the chin like this. Now hold down the control key and click enter to select the area. Then open select, modify and choose feather. Here set the feather radius to 7 pixels. Click OK. Press Ctrl J twice to copy the selection to 2 layers. Right click on this top layer and select create clipping mask. Hit Ctrl T for transform option. Right click and choose warp. Now fix the double chin like this. Click enter. Let's see the final result.